I'm gonna dab one like layer first of welcoming hugs. It's kind of really cool. It's like have a orange colors. I think I even like it by itself. Okay. Hey Mika, how are you? And then we're gonna wait for just a little bit and to let it set. And then you can add the thinking green on. Can you share it to? I didn't, I think. And you can layer them on the top, or you can do it dab on the sides, however you want. Okay. Wipe it off, and then we are going to let it set for a second and let it form really like shinies. And we're gonna wait until it's getting a matte look, so then we can able to. Hi Marie, how are you? Hey bestie Vicky, how are you? All right, so we're gonna dab this one. Just using, oh, hold on, let me show you. I am using the crystal clears right now, so that's all you need. You don't need any extra brush, any solution at all. This is only what you need for your fusioning. It have flow your fusioning to make it really easy, simple as marbles and vein looks, and just little as it is, you can just dab it in. I promise you will never go wrong with this, even your first time doing it. Just a little bit. You see that my bristles just carry just a little bit of the fusioning. It's not much at all. Little go a long way. And then you can control the vein however you want. You're gonna go, your veins going to the left. It can be in the left. If you want to be on the sides, on the right, you can be on the right. If you want your vein to be in the middle, you can definitely control it to be in the middle by just using. It's really simple with this bristle. And you guide it like wherever you want your vein is. You just tap it at outside, and it's just really simply move in the middle of wherever you want your vein to be. Okay, so I'm tap it outside and move toward to the middle. So then I want my vein to be like in the middle. You can do your veins on the left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, however you want. You can create this like moon ties, like veinings if you want to. Make it like you can do 1 color, 2 colors, 3 colors, like 10 colors layer if you want to. This is the simplest way, one of the simplest ways. Not too complicated, and it's simple. You all can achieve this super easy. All right, so if you want your vein to be like more precise, if you want to be thinner, just pick up a little bit of the crystal clears and then go in edges right here. And you can able to do your veins even smaller. All right, so let me, you can see that how much I wipe it off here. You don't want to carry all of your colors back into your crystal clear. I'm going to using is gel painting to just give a little bit of the veinings more defined using my twin tip brush. And if you don't have a twin tip brush, that's fine. You can using the number 1. I think the other one though. Thank you. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Thank you, and happy Fridays. I'm so excited. I can't wait because a lot of products is on sale. Also, yours stickers will going to be is $1. I'm gonna using some cool stickers shortly. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of my golden touch. Okay. And then add it on. For the veining, you can able to do is more or less. It's up to you. Really simple. And then here, for 30-second flash here. And then we are going to apply the top coat first, because we're not going to do a top coat first, then we can able to add like stickers on. I get my tweezers, the dual end tweezers. Just really be careful. You don't want to poke your fingers with this because it's really sharp. And then I'm gonna add the top coat. The best way to do your sticker, add the top coat first and cure for about 30 seconds. So you can get the surface is really nice and smooth and slick. So then it will suck the stickers right in and no problem at all. Oh, Pandemics DIY Nails, hello. Thank you so much for tuning in. Happy Friday. How's everyone doing? All right, so let's see. We are gonna do some cute. I'm looking this one. It's, oh my gosh, it's so adorable. You see me doing some like sunflowers in the 40 gel. So now it's time to get some of the, oh my gosh, this is so huge. I like that. You can definitely have half of this. I really want this big one. And then stickers. This is great for all of you who don't want to do with like painting. It's gonna be a good like alternative, like 3D-dimensionals. It looks really cool. It looks so close to the gel painting, like I mean hand painted. And then continue with a lot of stickers. Is gonna be, all the stickers gonna be $1, so don't miss out. Make sure you are adding yours I mean, like sign up the account and you can add a lot of your stickers in there, and when the sale starts you can check them all out at once, so then you won't miss out any specials. Can capture it. I love the background though. It will give it so cool and a stunning look. And if you're happy with this, you definitely can just top coat it again and you're good to go. But if you want to add some crystals on, I am going to show you. You can add just a little bit hint of crystal to give it blings up a little bit. We're going to using the first step from a Trifecta, which is the condensed glue gels. If you have is a little bit difficult time or hard time with your crystal placement, it looks so nice when you place it on the clients, and then a few days later the clients, or a day later the clients come in like, oh my god, Nancy, it's coming off. So this condensed glue gels are going to be your bestie, and make sure try it using with the concept, which is the no wet top coat is wood compatible, so then it's not gonna like sliding your crystal or floating your crystal. It's compatible. It's grab your crystals in one place. So I'm going to go ahead and using a no wipe top coat and floating on the top. As I say, if you don't want any crystal on it, absolutely just, you know, top coat and cure, you're good to go. But if you are doing some, just a little bit hint of crystal, I'm gonna using one of my favorites crystal for this season. So pumpkin spice, I'm gonna add just a little bit here. You can see that's give a little bit hints of the fun colors in it, but it's not taking away completely of yours fusioning look. You know, as I always stated, it is just for your preference. And then if you are If your clients don't want any like dramatic like this, you can always stop at any times, okay? A lot of my friends, like good friends, will say it's just saying it's honestly like, my gosh, Nancy is so beautiful, and you keep covering all your fusioning. It's just for your preference, because you'll be surprised if you are the simple nail techs, which is that really like to do neutral looks, absolutely is great. However, your clients, I will be in the same thing. I was really like I cover simple looks, and my clients is not simple at all. They want a lot of everything. And then we're here to take care of the clients and here to serve them. So we'll listen to them. If they want it, we'll put it on. It's not that what we want, it's this what your clients want. So you were thinking, like, if you don't wear any crystal, you don't want to do any stickers, you don't want to do transfer for, you just want plain nails, it doesn't mean your clients will be in a plain, pupil. All of us are different. So I was being suggested to get, a lot of options. So then your clients that come, you have everything they need. And of course, we're not for everyone, but then you want to be able to maximum of your business, and also is adding on the service, and which is more. It's more for you. It's more for your incomes, more for your technique and the skills, because you're on your own business and you're your own boss. You're an entrepreneur, so you can make money however you want. If you want to increase your business, like increase your ticket, you can't add 10 more clients a day, but then you can add 10 more of upsell service a day for your clients, which is mean that you can able to utilize all of what you have to add more on your service. So let's say if you're doing one client, you can only do $50, $60, $70, $80 for instance. But if you have accessories on for your clients and fulfill them, you could make additionals of $80 per client, up to $80 of a client when they're doing a lot of different designs. Just for me to, just what I thought. All right, so happy with this. We're going to cure this for 60 seconds. You'll be surprised. A lot of my clients love that.